Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm really excited to announce this new playlist where we'll be building 200 Python projects. I'll be updating this playlist every single week. That means you can see a new video on this playlist on a weekly basis. And we'll start from a very basic project and work our way up to a very difficult project where we'll have machine learning and computer vision involved. So it'll take us 200 projects to get there, and I'll be updating it weekly. So we have a long journey ahead. The reason I'm doing it is because on YouTube, I see a lot of basics of Python videos, but I don't see a lot of projects with Python videos, in the sense nobody's really helping us to apply those programming concepts to actually build things, right? So as you know, I have two SaaS products. So I'm the chief architect and CTO at two different SaaS products. And I also consult a lot of clients, and I use Golang, Python, Rust, and Node.js extensively across all these different endeavors that I've taken up. So I just wanted to help people to actually start building things, because I believe from my experience, what I've seen also is that your ability to apply your programming concepts to building things is what really differentiates you from everybody else. And basically that's why the market values you, because you can build products for other businesses or for yourself, right? That's why the market values you. And I want all developers to basically become really good at planning and building products and thinking from a technology architect kind of a perspective, rather than just a cog in the wheel, right? So you'll learn how to think about the entire product from end to end, rather than just thinking of a particular concept. So we'll be using multiple Python concepts. We'll bring all of that together to actually build projects from the beginning, and by the end we'll have like complicated products that we'll be building with Python. So this is basically what I wanted to tell you in this little video, that this is a new playlist that I'm starting. It's a parallel playlist. Everything else on my channel that's going on, like Golang and Golang projects and all of that, will keep continuing to go on. But I'm just creating this new playlist with Python so that I can help people to understand Python from a deeper level. So we'll be covering the breadth and the depth of Python by building all these different projects. And since there's a lot of video for Python basics, you don't need me to cover that. I'll be creating and building projects with you so that you can add some awesome projects to your portfolio. That's my aim. So do subscribe to the channel and do follow, because you'll be getting such awesome content out here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.